right. Well, now I'm here with Dr. Karen Stolman. She's a dermatologist at Alta View Hospital, and we're talking about skin cancer. Dermatology, you really do need to go to a dermatologist to have them look over everything, right?
Yes. In fact, the American Cancer Society has endorsed an annual skin check for most adults.
One more thing, we need to get screened every year.
Yes, and the American Academy of Dermatology had already endorsed that. So please come once a year to your dermatologist for a complete full skin exam or skin cancer screening. And we're also recommending a once-a-month self-skin exam at home.
That's just if you notice any moles or anything weird to get it checked.
Yeah, so what you want to try and look for is a change. And if you're doing it month to month, you'll get to know what your moles look like at baseline and recognize a change faster.
Okay. And if you have any questionable little marks, I got this little thing here. You have to have somebody professional look at it. But and we also want to talk about sun damage. A lot of kids, adults too, are hitting the sun, and maybe even this weekend got a little sunburn. How risky is that?
Yes, so here in Utah, we're at particularly higher risk, and being at high altitude, we have one of the highest rates of skin cancer, unfortunately, in Utah. So yes, please be careful and wear wide-brimmed hats and reapply your sunscreen, SPF 30 or higher, reapply every 2 hours, and just try to stay in the shade the best you can.
And make sure your kids have the sunscreen too, because a lot of the bad damage can happen when you're younger, right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay.
Yeah, we think that sunburns as a child or as a teenager or in your youth under the age of 18 put us at increased risk for melanoma and squamous cell carcinoma. And we do attribute the majority of skin cancers to too much ultraviolet radiation and sunlight.
Okay. And there's a free clinic where people can come in and get screened? Or there's free screenings going on?
Yes. So this week on Thursday at the Intermountain Medical Center from 4 to 8, we'll have dermatologists giving skin cancer screening exams.
Oh, good.
So please come.
So free 4 hours. There will be somebody there to check you out. And I know it might be a little confusing because it said Intermountain Medical Center and then Huntsman Cancer, but there is a Huntsman Cancer Center at the Intermountain Medical Center in Murray.
That's right, and it's Building 3.
Right. Okay, free screenings from 4 to 8. Thanks so much, Dr. Stolman.
Thank you.
We will be back with the band in just a minute.